guys, good morning. Kumusta na kayo? It's na dito guys, around 8 something na, pero madilim kasi winter. Gloomy. Pumasok na si Ella sa school, si Ella si Ella pumasok na sa school, si Frank naman wala na dito. At ito, wala na dito. At ito si little girl. Gumigising talaga kami guys 7 a.m. At saka si baby Francine 7 a.m. din gumigising. Ayun. Hello. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. Hi. Good morning everybody. Good morning. Guys, today pala ay anniversary namin ni Frank. Pero walang ganap. Dito lang kami sa bahay. Crisis guys, crisis. Hindi kami lalabas. Guys, very snowy sa outside guys. Bali yung ice andito pa. 2 days na hindi pa nagme-melt yung ice. Very snowy. Oh, ang lamig sa labas. Si Francine, anong ginagawa mo, Day? Saan naman ka, Day? Stay there, okay? Nagkaka ata yan. Uy, hindi ko pa inano. Kagabi nagkaka. Ngayon naman kaka. Dito yung coffee ko. Coffee! Good morning! Yung coffee ko na may kutsarita at nanghiwi. Drink. For the meantime guys, bago ako maglinis ng bahay, YouTube muna. Hindi guys, nagre-remove ako ng spams. Nung bago pa lang ako guys sa YouTube, grabe yung spams ko. At least ngayon, natuto na yung mga tao. Tag 2 na lang. Every 2 days, 2 na lang siya. Hindi na masyadong madaming didelete. Yun guys, oh, very snowy. Kita nyo guys? Snow. Andyan pa yung ice. Yun. Sa weekend daw guys, sa weekend daw, may snow na naman. Tomorrow I think. Si Ella yung nag-check ng... Si Ella yung nag-check talaga. What's wrong? Don't go there. Come here. Francine, uy, nai-explore talaga. See, ngayon, kakaano guys, kasi yung nasa spam, nalalagay sa spam ng mga comments, yung mga foreigner na mag-comment bitaw guys. So, ayun na guys, tapos na... Si Frank pala, nagpunta sa kanyang doktor. Kasi may check-up siya guys sa kanyang lungs. Kagabi may siya, may breathing test siya. Nilalagay, akala ko kagabi guys, 12 niya sinet, tapos nung nagising ako dahil si Francine na gumising. Si Frank may ganito dito parang nasa hospital siya guys. Nag-breathing check-up siya kasi yung lungs niya kasi yung breathing patterns niya baka hindi daw regular. Ewan ko. Sound na lang. Malalaman ko yung result today. Lately guys, nabisi talaga ako sa pag-process ng mga documents ko dito sa Germany dahil yung mga papers ko regarding sa aking career dito, nagpapa-recognize ako ng guys, ng mga papers ko para makapagtrabaho ako dito makapagtrabaho ako ng ibang trabaho kasi for the meantime guys, nagtrabaho ako ngayon sa isang cosmetics at English company lang siya. So okay lang sa kanila kahit hindi yung recognize yung papers, pero gusto ko i-pursue yung career ko, yung nursing career ko. Gusto ko siyang i-pursue kaya nagpa-process ako. Nasa step 1 ako ngayon guys. Step 1 pa lang. Counseling pa lang. Nasa consultation pa lang ako. Pina-process ko yung mga documents ko for consultation kasi i-advise kanila kung anong dapat mong gawin. At yun, may mga consent na pipirmahan, mga churba-churba, kailangan i-scan, ipadala sa kanila. Yun yung lately kinabibisihan ko guys. So ayun guys, balikan ko kayo mamaya guys ha. Maglilinis muna ako dahil ako lang mag-isa dito. At si Francine, uwi yun si Frank mga maybe in 2 hours. What's that, Francine? Snowman yan? Snowman na, be? Gamay man kaya mong snowman, lay. Francine. Francine. Yeah. Ito na ka sa ubos. Kaon sa ka. Hello. You stay there? You stay there? You're gonna make snowman too? Hello guys. Good evening. Gloomy sa outside. And hindi ako lumabas for few days already. I'm not out in the house for few days already. Francine is smiling. Yes guys. And here's Francine and Frank and Ella. Here's Francine there first. Hello. Ah, by the way guys. She's wearing the cloth. It's from Cherish Blossom. Binigyan niya ako ng parts ng guys, ng mga winter stuff for the kids and for me. Thank you, Cherish Blossom. Shout out. And yesterday, guys, anniversary namin at may pa-flower si Frank. Thank you, baby. Why are you laughing? Laughing. Here, he gave that to me yesterday. Roses are red and kalamunggay here. You know that? It's a vegetable in the Philippines.
Is it?
I just told Ella just said that this one is a vegetable from Philippines. Yeah, and you can see this also in the in Philippines. It's like the wild flowers where you can see in the road.
That's right. They are the white flowers.
Yeah.
But I didn't know it's.
This one looks like the vegetables in the Philippines.
So we're gonna make a salad of it.
Yeah, salad. Yeah. So it's a lazy day for us. For me, every day is a lazy day. So we go check Ella. And there's Ella, the messy room. Say hi.
You didn't see me.
So messy there. Let's go back. We go back here. You know, I'm supposed to go out because it's still icy outside. If you can see, guys, meron pang snow doon. No, I mean the road is still icy. Hindi ako lumabas for a few days.
-2 degrees.
Yeah, we are -2 degree today. So, anong gagawin ko? I actually already prepared for going out, and since it's too gloomy, it's too dark already, I don't want to go out. I'm afraid of Mumu. There's Francine. Hello.
Facebook hasn't got, or YouTube hasn't got the thumbs. Has thumbs
You have
down,
thumbs down.
but Facebook hasn't.
Hello, say hi. Hi, I'm 7 months. Yeah, you're 7 months, na? Hi, I'm 7 months. Yeah, I'm 7 months. What you gonna reach you today? Na? Yeah, hello. Yeah, hello. Hello. Oh, hello.
Uh-oh.
Here. Okay, there's Frank there. And Jean here. So, let's talk about na lang guys sa ano guys. Sa,
Guys.
yeah, my basher. Here at home, my very own basher.
Personal one.
Yeah, personal basher. So, ano bang pag-uusapan natin, oy? So, guys, diba sinabi ko, nasa step 1 na ako ng aking, para kung paano, how to recognize your documents here in Germany. Para akong nagpagupit, oh. But it's not. It's like my hair is short. Bagay ba sa akin, is it okay like that, my hair?
It's brilliant.
Yeah? That short?
For that, it's not that short.
This
No, I don't like it that short.
doesn't like it. I like that. Hindi ako nagsusuklay. I didn't brush my hair. So, di ba guys, sabi ko, nasa step 1 na ako ng aking recognition sa aking anerkenong or recognition ng aking papers. So, may pinadala silang, ipapadala mo yung mga documents mo guys through them sa IQ needs work. It's, ganyan, needs work na? It's German word. So, network. Yeah, IQ network, pero sa German, networks. Yeah. So, ipapadala, may link silang binigay. At first, guys, tinawagan namin ni Frank para mag-inquire kasi, first, sa job center, nag-inquire kami, tapos tinuruan nila kami na to check on this link. Tapos, may mga contact numbers doon, tinawagan namin sila, at yun, tinuruan ako, at nasa step 1 ako ngayon, nasa consultation. Yun yung consultation. I-advise ka nila kung ano ang dapat mong gawin. At first, pinadala ko yung documents ko, yung diploma ko, yung transcript of records, yung Aufenthaltstitel, yun yung residence permit mo dito sa Germany, at saka what else did I send? Yun, Aufenthaltstitel, diploma, at transcript of records. Yun yung pinadala ko sa email. May i-email sila at i-fill up mo yung parang may i-fill up ka na registration. And then after that, tinawagan nila ako. Like a week ago na tinawagan nila ako at saka nag-fill up ako ng ganito. Ito yung consent, guys. Ito yung consent na i-allow mo sila na mag-process ng yung papers. So, I'm now in step 1 at ipapadala ko pa to guys sa kanila para masugdan, para ma-start na yung processing. So, ayun, doon pa lang ako guys. So, let's see what will happen next. So, ayun, kita nyo guys, gloomy na outside. It's just 5 p.m. here. 5 p.m. pa lang pero ang dilim na sa labas. So, ayun lang. Walang masyadong ganap. Hindi ako nagbo-vlog lately kasi busy ako kang Francine at wala ding Why? I have a personal basher here.
That's going to come.
May basher ako dito. Asawa ko basher
I
ko.
thought you are complaining.
No, I said I didn't vlog lately because I have no updates. I'm just sending us. So I didn't vlog lately because there's nothing going on.
You excuse yourself for your husband.
No, hindi ako nagba-vlog kasi wala namang nagaganap sa akin lately, guys. Nasa bahay lang ako. I'm always in the house. Housewife work. So, siguro sumo. Kaya hindi ako nagba-vlog kasi lately nasa bahay lang. At then, so Frank naman busy sa kanyang training and tsaka HTDI. So, ayun lang. Walang anniversary. Yun lang mga ganap. Hindi kami lumabas kasi crisis. Nasa bahay lang kami guys. Nag-iipon kami para makauwi kami sa Pilipinas guys. Kasi 2 years, magto 2 years na ako hindi nakauwi. Kasi last year, yung kuan ko, yung last year yung mama ko was here and hinati niya si Ella kaya hindi ako umuwi last year kasi nga yung pera hindi naman kasi kami mayaman para maka-afford ng yearly na ticket.
I know you don't like.
So guys, thank you all for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. So, have a good night and doon pala sa hindi pa ka nakapag-subscribe, I hope mag-subscribe na kayo and leave a may basher ako dito. So, I hope to see you on my next video and bye-bye and have a good night everybody. Bye-bye Frank and Francine. So, si Ella, hindi ko napuntahan guys kasi andun siya nag-concentrate.